Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can put decorative on pretty border on Microsoft Word. So I'm going to show you new method so you can follow. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word application. So let me start. So first what you can do, go to the file. Okay, just click on file, and here in new templates go to the more templates and search for frame. Okay, we need to search for frames. So you can see these frames, and you have few frames here, this frame and this frame. So I just use this frame. Okay, go to the create. So we have this frame. Okay, now select that frame, and double click on that frame, that the shape format will be enabled to you. Now go to the shape outline. You need to just double click on that frame, then this option will be enabled. Now go to the outline, shape outline. You can change color of this outline. Okay, go to the shape effects. Here you can do the shape effects like this. Okay, go to the outline. Here you can change that frame style, and we have the more style like this. We can also change that frame width, and here go to the sketch and go to the more lines. Here you can see the more lines. Go to this option. You can use these glow options. So frame you can glow it. Okay, this is the color of glow. You can change to any other color. Either the reflection you can change. Here the shadow you have. If you want shadow, you can. Okay, so this is our shadow. If you want to remove the shadow, just click on this. Okay, and here we have the more options, like we can change transparency, and we have this 3D effect. Okay, and we have that options also, which is lighting and 3D rotations. Okay, just give the effect which you want. Okay, and if you want to reset, click on the reset, then all effect will be reset. Okay, now you can choose that frame. Go to the file, go to the page setup. Okay, go to the file, go to the new documents. Here you can change that margin from here. Or okay, or you can go to the this option layout and go to the margin, and here go to the custom margin, and from here you can change margin with 0.1, 0.1, left, right, and top and bottom. Okay, so portrait, and just click OK. Now come to this page, copy it and paste here. Okay, so now we have this border on this blank page. Now we can increase the size by clicking this dot and hold and drag it. Okay, yes, we have done. Now go to this option, just click on this frame, go to this option and click on behind the text. Okay, now you can Okay, now just keep the cursor where you want to start typing or content, like this, or you can use that option called X. Let me show you. Okay, just start the content, keep the cursor, and you can write your content like this. Okay, so that is the process, guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.